In addition to our jet mills, pulverizers, air-class fire mills, tin mills, mixers, dryers, and laboratory equipment, Hosokawa's Contract Manufacturing Center now offers attrition milling for polymeric and heat-sensitive materials without the added expense of nitrogen. The material being ground started as large polyethylene sheets that were granulated by Hosokawa's press-side granulator, which produced 4 mm uniform dust-free chips. The customer would like to mill the material down to 100 mesh. Traditional size reduction techniques produce too much heat, which could damage or melt the material. Impact mills require liquid nitrogen to brittle the materials and prevent melting. Liquid nitrogen can double or triple processing costs. Hosokawa's attrition mill uses ambient air and does not need additional cooling gas, which keeps operational costs low. Material is loaded in a hopper and introduced to the mill by a vibratory feeder. The material enters the grinding chamber through the center of the mill. The mill uses shear forces to reduce the particle size to fine powders. Materials are conveyed by system fan to a cyclone that separates the conveying air from the ground material. The ground material drops to a screen deck that separates coarse and fine materials. Fine materials exit the mill system and can be collected. In this application, the mill is processing about 150 kilograms per hour. Throughput can be increased to about 300 kilograms per hour for some materials. Coarse materials are separated from the fine product by the screening deck and returned to the mill for regrinding. Hosokawa's attrition milling system is well suited for processing plastics, waxes, and other soft materials. Our attrition mills are extremely flexible and easy to operate. Parameters can be adjusted during operation. The mills have interchangeable rotors and can operate with hammers, knives, or pins, as well as attrition discs. Hosokawa's attrition mills are available for toll processing at our Summit, New Jersey plant and can also be purchased for installation at your facility. They are available as 5 horsepower lab scale mills up to 60 horsepower production systems. In this application, the mill reduced the polyethylene chips from 5 mm to 100 mesh. With some adjustments, even finer powder can be produced depending on the material. Contact Hosokawa for additional information or testing options.